Inside this shell is one of nature's most efficient designs. For 72 calories, you get a complete set of all 9 essential amino acids. But diet culture has spent decades trying to re-engineer it. We separate the whites to avoid fat, fry them in heavy butter, or, following the example of Rocky Balboa, we drink them raw to preserve their supposed purity. These methods treat digestion like a simple math equation, assuming that moving isolated protein from a plate to your stomach results in a 1-to-1 gain in muscle mass. In reality, your body's ability to absorb nutrients depends on the chemical structure of the egg, a structure that changes depending on how it is prepared. This creates a disconnect between the nutrients contained inside the shell and the amount your body is actually capable of extracting. The raw egg trend is built on the idea that heat damages the protein, and that consuming it in its original state provides a more direct path to athletic gain. Biology suggests otherwise. A raw egg has a digestive absorption rate of roughly 50%. When heat is applied, the tightly coiled protein molecules unravel, a process called denaturation. In this relaxed state, human digestive enzymes can finally break the proteins down, allowing for near-total absorption. Heat also neutralizes the Avidin Trap. In raw egg whites, the protein Avidin binds to biotin, or vitamin B7, blocking the body from using it. Cooking breaks that bond, making the vitamin available for use. Unless you introduce external fat, like frying in butter, the core caloric and fat profile of the egg remains unchanged by cooking itself. Heat makes the egg's nutritional content bioavailable. It is the transition that makes these proteins accessible to the human digestive tract. Even when we do cook our eggs, we often dismantle them. Fear of dietary cholesterol turned the yolk into a liability and made the egg white-only diet a staple of modern weight loss.
Looking at the data, the two halves serve different roles. The white is primarily water and protein, while the yolk houses the healthy fats and the vast majority of the egg's micronutrients. While the yolk contains about 200 milligrams of cholesterol, modern research shows that for most healthy people, consuming it does not raise harmful LDL levels. Instead, it often increases HDL, the good cholesterol. Discarding the yolk removes the most nutrient-dense portion of the egg based on a misunderstanding of how the body actually processes dietary lipids. To understand the egg's full impact, we have to look at the yolk and white together, specifically how they interact during post-exercise muscle synthesis. Clinical studies compared 2 groups of men who consumed 18 grams of protein after a workout. One group ate only egg whites, the other ate whole eggs. Despite having the exact same amount of protein, the whole egg group showed a significantly higher response in muscle synthesis. This is the food matrix at work. The vitamins and fats in the yolk act synergistically with the protein in the white, functioning as a delivery system that improves how the body utilizes the protein. This environment is particularly effective at delivering leucine. This specific amino acid provides the chemical signal required for a muscle cell to begin the process of synthesis. The most effective strategy for human fuel is consuming whole biological systems. To get the most out of an egg, keep the yolk, cook it through, and let the food matrix do its job.